Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 5, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. Our today's topic is competency based question answer from chapter 2. So let's start the class today. There are 5 competency based question with answer. You can follow this answer or you can make your own answer. Number 1. Rupa visited Bahadur Shah Park in Dhaka and came to know about Sipai mutiny. What was common people's role in the mutiny? So we will know write about the role of the common people. Now the answer is the Sipai mutiny of 1857 against British suppression was quite successful. It was supported by most people, so they got themselves involved in this mutiny. The British took stern steps against it. Nearly 1 lakh Indians were killed to control this mutiny. Stern means the strict steps. Strict steps. Now number 2. What was the result of the mutiny in 1857? The support of mass people made British a little bit worried. The British government realized that the administration of such a big country should not be kept under a company. For this, the British Parliament passed an act in 1857. The rule by the East India Company was now replaced by Queen Victoria, who becoming Empress of India. She appointed a viceroy to govern India. Moreover, patriotism was spirited among common people. So this is the result of the Sipai mutiny. That means the company rule ended and Queen Victoria started to rule over the India, but she appointed a viceroy to govern India. Now number 3, Meena reads a book on the Battle of Palashi. She pointed the oppositions against the Nawab. Describe it in your own sentence. The answer is the Battle of Palashi was held on 23rd June 1757, where Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowlah was defeated because his near and dear ones betrayed him. His aunt Khasiti Begum from his family, some of the merchants like Rajdurlab and Jagat Sheth, who traded with British, and his army chief Mir Jafar betrayed him in the battle. So those people betrayed him, and because of their betrayal, Nawab defeated in the Battle of Palashi. Now number 4. Faisal visited art gallery and saw the pictures regarding Chhiattorer Manvantar. When and why had it occurred? And what is Chhiattorer Manvantar? We all know that it was the great famine. Okay, the answer is the Chhiattorer Manvantar occurred in 1770, Bangla year 1776 in Bengal. It occurred during the British rule when the local economy was so run down that craftsmen were unemployed, farmers became poor and suffered from famines. Among many other famines, Chhiattorer Manvantar was the biggest one. So there are other famines, but Chhiattorer Manvantar was the biggest one. A huge, great number of people died in this famine. Now number 5. What was the result of Renaissance of Bengal? The answer is the result of Renaissance of Bengal was very significant and far-reaching. In the 19th century, the British introduced English education in Bengal. School, colleges and universities were established for expansion of education. Communication and transport were improved with better roads and telegraph. The combination of education and communication created the development in the lives of general people, and this is called the Renaissance of Bengal. Education was spread easily due to the use of printing press. The people in those days started to become more conscious about their nationality and the existing society. There will be 2 words, nationality and the existing society's prejudice and customs. Some contributors of Renaissance are Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Nawab Abdul Latif and Syed Amir Ali, who helped to create a reformed society and expansion of education, literature and science. So these people are the social reformer of that time, and they have a great contribution to change the society and to remove the existing society's prejudice and customs. And it happened because of the spread of the education and with the development of the communication and transport. So dear students, there are 5 competency based question answer from chapter 2, and all of you will read your textbook. That means you will go through this chapter again and again, and then we will try to make the answer by yourself, and you can also take the help of this sample answer. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will practice a lot and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.